Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a Hyundai Accord quick oil change. Here is my oil pan, filter and oil pan remover tool, ratchet, and this. First thing, I'll remove this cap. I supposed to use 0W20. Okay, just remove it, keep it like that, leave it open. Now I will just simply put this here, lose it. Okay. Release it. Just wait for it to release. I just removed this oil pan. I mean this oil filter. See, this oil looks pretty thick. It's pretty old. Now I'll put this new filter. Hand tighten is fine. It's fine. Now I have opened these with this 17mm. My engine is pretty cold right now. Alright, there is the oil, guys. Just let it go for now. One fact I do want to share, this is a 14mm and this is a 17mm. The only difference is the nut size, this size, but these two looks identical. So this one is pretty much messed up, so I'm gonna use this new. It comes with a crash washer, or you can use your old, but I recommend you to use the new one. So this is the new plastic crash washer. Plastic is not too good. You wanna use this because this is more durable. Crash washer. Guys, now I'm gonna put this back. It fits exactly, even though it's 14mm. I just hand tighten, then I'll use this ratchet. This is the old oil. Let's just move this. This is a 7-quart container. I purchased this from a dollar store. I also have a good one. I just wanted to show you. It could be cheap if you do with cheap, but discard it in AutoZone or somewhere where you can, but don't just throw it away. Placement of oil pan could be expensive, that's why you want to be careful. You don't want to lose the thread. This oil is pretty much disgusting, all the black. Looks very thick now, even though it's 0W20. So guys, now all the jobs here is done. Okay, I tighten this, I tighten that. Now I'll just pour this. So you can use this to directly pour the oil here, but you cannot be sure how much you need. Okay, that's why I'm not gonna use it. I have to pour it in the container and start. I'll be putting this gallon in here with this container, then I'll start the car. Going slow, but it's fine. I just changed the oil. Now I'll clean up all the mess. Okay. Alright, it's done. Now check the oil. This is the old oil. Look how dark it is. Alright, now we are gonna check the oil level. Okay, to check the level I have to push it out. This is the old. I just cleaned it and put it back. Now I'll put it back, and this level looks full up to here. I'll move all of these. Now I'll start the car. I'm reversing, and the job is done. Now I just have to reset the oil. And anyway, thank you so much guys, thanks for your time, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Take care so much.